You cannot be making use of your shaving stick in 2024. Girl, it's time to revamp yourself. And one of the things, or one of the best things you can actually do yourself, is for you to start waxing today. I don't want to hear, oh, I don't have the money to wax. Your hair will come out fine now. So guys, I'll be teaching you how to make sugar wax at home, comfortably at your home, with ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. And even if you don't have these ingredients in your kitchen, it will not cost more than 200 naira to make one for yourself. Trust me, I think it's even cheaper than shaving stick. And the good thing about waxing is that it's going to take a very long time for the hair to grow back. You don't need to be shaving every 1 week, or someone that grows hair very fast to be shaving every 5 days. You can stay as long as 1 month, 2 months if you wax your hair. So guys, let me show you how to make one. Hello to my skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make sugar wax at home. So guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Elo, and if you have not already subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button. Also remember to turn on your notification bell, because this will actually get you notified once I drop a new content. So it's all about sugar wax, so let's check out to make it. To make our sugar wax, you will be needing to add 4 spoons of sugar. Next, I will add 1 spoon of honey to make the formulation thicker and moisturizing. After that, the next is your 2 spoons of lemon and 1 spoon of distilled water. Mix together very well on a microwave safe container. After we are done, the next step is to put it inside the microwave till it starts bubbling. The African girl in me carried the bowl with my bare hands. Transfer it inside the container of your choice. Before you do that, you have to put the container itself, the empty container, inside the water. It's actually easier to transfer the sugar wax inside the container while it's still hot, because when it cools down it becomes thicker and difficult to actually put it in. So guys, we have our sugar wax here, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take this remaining one and teach you how to wax at home. Because if I teach you how to make sugar wax and I don't teach you how to wax, it is not complete. So guys, what you need is your dry wipe, then you go with your powder. So guys, this is the reason why I encourage people to put it inside the container immediately. See this one I put inside the container, and look at this one. I wasted a lot of time and now this thing has dried. Look at, I think I'll just use it as sugar candy. Very nice. It's actually sweet. So now, because I wasted too much time, this is already condemned. Guys, I'm so shy to show you guys my armpit because I've been meaning to wax at home. I've been saying I'm going to do this video, I'm going to do this video, and I've prolonged doing it. So I'm really shy to take off my armpits. Are you guys ready? So if you're wondering, hello, why are you using powder? Well, powder will help to soak up any excess oil and help the wax to adhere to the hair. So that's the reason why I put my powder before the actual sugar wax. I hope it helps. So there are rules you must follow before waxing your skin, and one of the rules is that you have to be sure your armpit hair is longer than 1/4 inches before waxing, and it typically takes 3 to 4 weeks from the previous wax. and you should exfoliate lightly to avoid abrasion, and also before exfoliating your skin, make sure it takes you 2 days before you plan to wax your skin. In other words, I'm trying to say you should avoid exfoliating your skin the very day of your waxing or exfoliating a day after waxing. If you have sunburn, rash, scar, pimple, or any other irritation in your armpits, you have to perform 24 hours patch test before the actual waxing, and don't forget to moisturize afterwards. Good luck. Take this thing off. Oh, I think I need to put more water or microwave it so it will melt again. Why would I wax? Oh, and my hair is long. I would not even. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's go. It's actually painful, though. It's actually painful. I will not even lie to you people. Oh, okay. 1, 2, ready, go. I don't believe I did it. See, guys, let's go. Push. No, 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 no. Leave this. Your mama is waxing. I just microwaved it and we are going to go again. So I think, yeah, I didn't put here. So I wish I can actually see myself doing this in the mirror. Would have used. Going to go. I feel like there's nothing aesthetic about my waxing. It's very chaotic. So guys, I'll be doing the other one off camera because look how I'm squeezing my face. Like, what is all that? Action on that moment. That is the main thing.